Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you top 10 laziest animals in the world. Number 10. Bleating lizards. Bleating lizards are on number 10 on the list. It is one of the laziest animal. They hardly leave their burrow even for eating or drinking water, and this perfectly defines their lazy nature. Number 9 is cuckoo. Nothing says lazy like laying your eggs in the nest of other bird, so you don't have to look after them, and that is precisely what cuckoos do. Number 8. Echidna. Echidna, also known as the spiny anteater, they are very slow moving and sleep for roughly 10 hours a day. Number 7. Nurse shark. The nurse shark is mellow and sluggish shark. It is the couch potato of the sea. Number 6. Pythons. They are lazy snakes. They only move when they have to, and after they feed, they may not eat again for several months. The record post-meal fasting time was 2 years. Number 5. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus hate moving, whether inside a mud pit or water. They love sleeping. Hippos sleep for 18 hours a day. Number 4. On number 4 it is opossum. Opossums are champion sleepers, getting an impressive 18 to 20 hours a day. They are incredibly slow moving. Once they are place that provides food and shelter, they stay, only opting to move if absolutely necessary. Number 3. Koala. Koalas have a reputation for being lazy, since they spend 18 to 20 hours a day asleep. A lot of this is due to their diet being low in energy, which makes them more sluggish. Number 2. Pandas. Giant pandas are well known for their bumbling and sluggish nature. They are one of the laziest animal alive. Pandas are so lazy that they are not interested in reproduction. They spend their entire day sleeping and eating. At number 1 it is none other than the sloth. Sloths are the slowest and laziest creatures in the world. Instead of evolving to eat more, they evolved to do less. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.